Food waste, fast fashion, the endless quest for the latest phone. We all know our throwaway culture plays a big part in the climate crisis. But did you know that the demolition and replacement of buildings is also fueling the crisis? And did you know that our tax system rewards this wasteful approach while making the reuse of buildings more costly? In the UK, we lose more than 50,000 buildings a year through demolition. Of the 200,000 tonnes of waste we produce each year, almost 2/3 is construction waste. And largely because of this waste of resources, the construction industry contributes an estimated 10% of the UK's annual carbon emissions. Think of all the energy that goes into a building constructed from scratch. A process which gobbles up fossil fuel hungry cement, steel, aluminium and plastic. More than 1/3 of the lifetime carbon emissions of a typical new build office development will already have been emitted upon completion, while the figure for a new residential block is over half. Unlike the day-to-day energy costs of a building, which are spread out over its entire lifetime, construction emissions are happening right now. In the 10-year window the UN tells us we have to slash greenhouse gases and keep global warming below 1.5 degrees centigrade. And perversely, the rules encourage this. The standard 20% rate of VAT is charged on most refurbishment work, while much new build construction, including housing, attracts a rate of 0. Yes, you heard that right. Despite all the declarations of climate emergency, our tax system makes wasteful demolition and rebuild cheap, and sustainable refurbishment and retrofit expensive. But what if we pursued a new approach to design and construction? One based on reusing what we already have. That is what's proposed by the RetroFirst campaign, launched by the Architects Journal and now supported across the country. The campaign calls on government to do 3 things. First, to cut VAT on refurbishment to 5% or even 0, an option that's now available to the UK since Brexit. Second, to amend policy to promote the reuse of existing buildings to high standards. And third, to insist that all publicly funded projects look to retrofit solutions first. You can find out more by Googling RetroFirst. And you can support RetroFirst by contacting your MP and your local councillors about the campaign, and using hashtag RetroFirst on social media. RetroFirst, the greenest building is one that already exists.